And here's how to create Google Forms using a mobile phone. On your mobile phone, go ahead and open a browser and simply type here Google Forms, search for it. And now you have to open this link, Google Forms, sign in. And all you have to need, log in here using your Google account. Now you directly jump into the Google Form editing page. Here under questions, type here your first question. Here you have to type the form name, and here you can write a short description for the form. And here we can see the question field. Go ahead and write here your first question, and here tap on multiple choice. And here you can select short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, or you can select file upload option. And now to add multiple questions, just tap on this plus icon to add another question. Write here your question, tap on this choice or multiple choice, and here select a answer option, and you can record the specific question by enabling this option. And that's how go ahead and add multiple questions in your Google form. And after that, here just click on this style option, and here you can change your Google form text style. You can change your Google form default background color here and tap on apply. And here we can see my Google form color changed. Go to settings, and from settings you will be able to customize your Google form settings. Now just tap on the send icon, and here you can email this Google form. Just in this to field, enter the recipient email address whom you want to send the Google form. And you can also share your Google form by copying this link. So this is how we can actually create Google Forms in mobile. Thanks for watching.